So the O-rings on this are just worn out. So when we see, I barely have it cracked right here, and you can see it leaking. Same on the other side. The O-rings are just worn out. Such a good idea to do this. Okay, so this is a metal tray, drains into the standpipe. Okay.
Right, you got everything.
Yeah. We don't have everything. A lot of what you got, we don't got. But the basics.
The basics for sure.
And Unit 5's been doing that for a long time, huh?
But she's kind of hard to get a hold of, you know.
Is that guy still there? That guy that her baby daddy?
I don't know. I haven't seen him. I'm not sure.
That curly hair guy?
Right.
Put that right there. Really, we just need these on there like that. And then you have the 2 screws with these 2 things. They go like that. It goes like that. The most important part about this are these. You gotta have these. Okay, so I've got those little O-rings off. Everything looks good. And you put the new ones on. Like so. And then boom. That's gonna work nicely. You take these guys. Thanks. So I'll say a prayer. Yep, looks like it's working. Thanks, you're good now. Thank you. So I'll say a prayer. Look at that thing. Okay, I think we're in business, gentlemen.
It's kind of a brilliant design.
Yeah.
Also cumbersome.
Yeah, maybe a little bit, yeah. Symmons, East Coast stuff right there. Okay, so that is off. Now let's gently. I think we're good.
A little bit of water.
Oh boy. Well, let's tighten them up. Let's tighten them up a little bit. We'll do those. Wait.
Oh shit.
I think they just needed to be really tight. There wasn't that much water in that anyway. I mean, I got a couple more turns out of that, so. Okay, let's try this again. I think that was it. Damn. Huh.
You want a rag?
Yeah. I don't see it dripping now.
Maybe a little bit on top, but I don't know if that's just left over or not.
You just had to really get these tight. It's not leaking now. We're all good.
Anything in this
We're gonna test it, and that's it, man.